guys, so it's day 4 in Fukuoka and we are headed to the beach. I'm not so sure what it looks like. I've never been there, so let's go check it out and see. If we survive, we'll probably stay there for a long time, but let's check it out.
Staring out the window, reaching for a North Star, waiting just to wake up from this nightmare where you could be right back in my arms. Dancing to the limbo,
Bathroom.
stuck here in the middle. You tell me that it's simple, but I could paint 1,000 different pictures.
So we're at the beach and Chris is in the water. Chris, say hi. She's right there. Oh my god. And others are changing and taking photos and we're just out here for a little bit. It's so hot and I think I might just get in the water. But yeah, it's beautiful. I can't see them. Look at how pretty that is.
She said life is just a symbol for the pain that you can get through. Like a camel through the needle. Everyday people are just 1,000 versions of who they were. Love me like we're equal.
Pretty building. Okay.
There's no sequel. I'd rather live in peaceful understanding that we believed our every single word. And the clock's back, couple dials. We should throw them out because time ain't ours. Oh, these blocks down, couple miles. We could build them up until the sky was as ours. I lived 100 years of
Nice view.
with you and never question what gives anyone the right to believe these superstitions outside of human intuition. 'Cause tonight it's enough for me to know that you and I exist inside this paradise. And if we turn the clocks back a couple dials, we should throw them out because time ain't ours. Oh, these blocks down miles, them up until the sky was as
Sitting.
reaching for a North Star, waiting just to wake up from this nightmare where you could be right back in my arms. Dancing to the limbo, stuck here in the middle. You tell me that it's simple, but I could paint 1,000 different pictures of what is wrong. But if we turn the clocks back a couple dials, we should throw them out because time ain't ours. Oh, but you fill me up.
We're walking to the beach right now, like everybody's there. It's very close. We got on the train and just got off like at the next stop.
Behind you, look at the city. Sunny out there. Ah!
We're halfway there at the moment, all sunscreened up and just waiting to get to the actual beach spot. But this is like amazing, trust me. Beautiful, look at this. Look at that. Wonderful. Beautiful. I can see it from where I'm at and stunning. Nice little shade area right here. Beautiful. I should probably take a swim because like it is so hot out here today. But this is like a little shade area. If you're feeling too hot, you can come here, sit under the gazebos or walk under the trees. Fantastic. You can also play beach volleyball like you see those guys playing earlier in the video. Yeah, gonna have fun.
From this nightmare where you could be right back in my arms. Dancing to the
Now you're a veteran.
stuck here in the middle. You tell me that it's simple, but I could paint 1,000 different pictures of what is wrong. But if we turn the clocks back a couple dials, we should throw them out because time ain't ours, oh, but you fill me up and I can feel